Okay, now for programming the KKK board here. Okay, like I said before, I cut my cables, I soldering my wires directly to the boards. Very simple. You got all the reading on the board there, so it's very simple. I guess it's just a little bit of understanding, and it won't have any problems. I'm going to show you the links where to download these drivers for these programmers. So what you're going to do there is you're going to put it in the USB port. Your computers will detect it as a new device, so you're just going to follow the links, and when he's going to ask you for the drivers, you just select the source where you download your drivers, and it should shows up in your control panels. I'm going to show you how it shows on my computers when I hook it up. It shows as lib USB Win32 drivers. So that's my USB ESP device that connected to it. So this is all my computers. Me, obviously, I already installed the drivers. So, but this is very simple. When you put any USB device in your computers, it will pop up the window. So you just send it in the route where you download your drivers and you install. So this won't be a big deal for sure. Now I just connected my boards. So I got my boards connected. As you can see, the red light just flashed a little bit when I put the board. I'm going to try to put the board here. I hope you guys can see it. And now I'm going to open the program. The program is a multi-copter flash tools. You have to have the Java installed on your computers. One of the problems that I have with these problems right now, I didn't have any Java, and some permission was blocked on my computers because this is the computers from my company, so I have to work around a little bit. But after I install Java, I do little things on my computer that work fine. So probably for you guys, if you guys try to run this program or to give you any kind of error, I'm not a very Windows guy, so I can handle it, but I cannot really show you. But the things I want to tell you is, if you guys have any problem with the multi-copter flash tools, when you open it, it gives you any Java error or whatever, it is because you need to install or check your Java on your computer. So now I'm just going to open it. Very simple program. That's very easy. This thing do the job perfectly for me. So when the program is open, I'm going to put it full screen there. Very simple, not much thing you have to do. The programmer EVR, so you have to go and select your model of programmers. Like I said, it's the USB ESP. It's there. It's in the list, and just select it. And it's USB port. Now you have the choice of your controllers. So you have different kind of boards here. Lucky us, the hobbyking quadcopter board is in the list, so you can select it. So you can also, after that, you can select what kind of flash you want to put in there. So me, for example, I want to go for tricopters, so I'm selecting tricopters. So it gives me the latest version, I believe it's version 1.6 that fits the 48 PA. So I'm not going to try this in the 48 PA, so I'm assuming with this information, with this flash tools, if you flash this board with this software, I'm assuming right now that this is going to work for our tricopters without changing the chip. There's a lot of questions on the internet, and I'm not sure yet there, So this is just research. I'm going to show you where I am right now. So, but I'm not going to use a 48 PA. So, but probably just doing this and flashing this, I'm assuming when you're going to put, it should work. So, and then the only thing you do after that, you just press the right button. So a lot of things going to come up, and it's going to work. It's going to do some, and Avia dude, and it's going to say thank you, and it's done. So very simple. If I want to go back to quadcopters, back again, for example, I can just select quadcopters, and now they're going to give me different firmware. I can go for my quadcopters. So I can go version 4.7. I can do 4.7 again if I want. See, and then I just do write again, and it should write the board again. See? Not much to do. Very, very simple. The light is flashing. There seems to have another other features in this firmware. You know what, so far I don't want to go further. The reason I want to show you in the video is this programs work with this cables, and I can communicate with this board without having any problems, because I was trying to use all kind of other programs on the internet with these boards, with these programmers, and it was giving me, and I was so confused at the end. So this is the things I find out that was the easiest. So this is the part for programming this board. So now on the board I have the 48 PA. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to remove these chips, and I'm